Now that the car looks completely good again, the final step is to fix the irregular revs at idle speed. I do this at the workshop of a good friend of mine, Sander, who is completely a Volvo guy. The BMWs sometimes give an engine failure in the course of time. Most of the people bring a car to the garage, but nowadays it is possible to solve it yourself with a little basic knowledge of cars. To start with, I read the car out with an EOBD reader that works with your smartphone. Here stands exactly what the problem is with the error code. In this case, it is a misfire with cylinder 3. This is of course not a ready-made solution, but it does provide a direction where the problem can be. In my point of view, the problem can come from 4 things. The most logical, because of this model, is the ignition coil. But it can also be the spark plugs, sensor or fuel pump. To start with, I removed the countless plastic covers that are in modern cars today. Because the EOBD reader specifically indicates cylinder 3, I first exchanged the ignition coil of cylinder 3 with cylinder 2. In this way I can see whether the misfire stays on cylinder 3 or exchange for cylinder 2. If it changes to cylinder 2, I know that it is the ignition coil. If this is not the case, I know it is something else. You actually learn this trick by thinking step by step and of course some experience. In this case, the misfire changes from cylinder 3 to 2. So the problem is the ignition coil. After inserting a new ignition coil, the engine failure was gone. Finally, it is putting all the plastic back again and we're ready. Of course, this is a fairly simple situation how an engine failure can be solved, but each can be different. The basic steps remain the same. First, reading the car out. Second, logical thinking where the problem may be. As a third, try the biggest chance and then possibly step by step the other scenarios. It requires the will to solve it and some experience to fix every engine failure. But if you keep pushing, every problem can be solved.